Hi, my name is George, and in this video, we're diving deep into the Hostinger AI Website Builder review. I'll cover its features, pros, cons, pricing, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right tool for your website building needs. So, if you're looking for an affordable and efficient way to build a site, especially if you're a beginner, stick around. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: some links in the description are affiliate links. This means that I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get started. So, a quick background. Hostinger has come a long way since its start in 2004. Initially known as Hosting Media, it evolved into a global name in web hosting, with headquarters in Lithuania and a strong presence worldwide. In 2019, they launched Zero, a no-code website builder, and in 2023, they introduced their AI-powered website builder. This tool is designed to simplify the process of creating a website, especially for those with minimal technical knowledge. Let's start with how the Hostinger AI website builder works. Once you log in, you can access the builder through the Websites tab. Here, you'll input your brand name, website type, and a brief description. This description is crucial because the AI uses it to tailor the design, text, and images for your website. You can also select a style and color palette to match your brand. And in just under a minute, you'll have a fully functional website draft ready for customization. This speed and efficiency make it an excellent option for those on tight schedules or with limited resources. Now, the AI doesn't just stop at creating a layout. It offers several tools to enhance your website. For instance, the AI text generator helps you create content for your pages, while the AI logo maker can design a professional looking logo in just seconds. There's also an AI image generator, though still in beta, that can produce custom visuals for your site. These tools make it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners or those building a site on their own. Additionally, the AI can generate entire blog posts from a short description, saving time for content creators. Now, another standout feature is the AI heat map. This predictive tool estimates where users will focus their attention on your site, helping you optimize the placement of key elements like buttons, banners, or call to actions. While its accuracy may vary, it's a useful starting point, especially for e-commerce sites. For example, knowing where users are likely to click can help you position your Buy Now buttons effectively, boosting conversions. How does Hostinger's AI website builder stack up against competitors like Wix and Squarespace? Hostinger stands out for its affordability, offering plans up to 80% off. The premium website builder plan starts at just $2.49 per month for a 48-month term, with 3 extra months free. This includes a free domain, AI tools, and 24/7 live support. Renewal costs $7.99 per month, still highly competitive. In comparison, Wix's Lite plan starts at $17 per month with limited features, while Squarespace begins at $16 per month and scales up for additional options. Hostinger also allows up to 100 websites on a single subscription, a major advantage over competitors who typically restrict plans to just one website. With its affordability, robust features, and 30-day money-back guarantee, Hostinger offers exceptional value whether you're just launching your first site or managing multiple projects. Now, performance-wise, Hostinger also holds its ground. During my tests, websites built with Hostinger's AI loaded within Google's recommended time of 2.5 seconds. This speed is crucial for user experience and SEO. Hostinger achieves this with its globally distributed servers, SSD storage, and caching tools. Compared to Bluehost, which often struggles with slower response times, Hostinger consistently delivers faster loading speeds across all plans. Now, one area where Hostinger excels is its custom-built control panel, H-Panel. Unlike the traditional C-Panel, H-Panel is a sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly. It includes all the tools you need to manage your site, such as one-click installations for WordPress, email management, and detailed performance analytics. For beginners, this makes the hosting experience far less intimidating. Advanced users, on the other hand, will appreciate the ability to manage technical settings with ease. Hostinger's AI website builder also simplifies the process of customizing your site. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily edit text, reposition elements, or change colors without any coding knowledge. For example, I created a sample website for a fictional restaurant in under an hour. The tool allowed me to design a professional-looking menu, add contact forms, and even embed a song for an Italian vibe. It's perfect for small businesses or personal sites that need a modern and straightforward online presence. However, simplicity does come with limitations. The builder is not suitable for complex websites that require advanced functionality, such as user logins, membership areas, or custom calculators. Additionally, while AI-generated designs are a good starting point, they can feel generic and often require manual tweaking to truly stand out. For instance, if you're aiming to build a highly unique portfolio site or a niche-specific blog, you might find the customization options lacking. Now, another downside is the inability to migrate websites built with the AI tool. If you decide to switch hosting providers, your site is essentially locked within Hostinger. This lack of portability could become a headache down the line, especially as your website grows and your needs evolve. Even transferring a site to another Hostinger account can be a challenge, so it's worth considering this limitation before committing. Now, for e-commerce, Hostinger's AI website builder offers basic functionality, such as product listings, payment processing, and order management. However, it's best suited for small stores or single product shops. Larger e-commerce businesses will likely find its customization options too limited. For example, while you can set up a product catalog and enable payment options, advanced features like dynamic pricing or multi-vendor support are not available. Now, let's talk about security. Hostinger includes essential features like free SSL certificates, daily or weekly backups, and DDoS protection with all plans. And while these features are adequate for most users, they do fall short compared to competitors like Bluehost, which offers more robust security options, albeit at a higher cost. Hostinger's firewall and malware scanning are basic, so users handling sensitive data may need to invest in additional security measures. But despite these limitations, Hostinger's affordability and ease of use make it an attractive option for beginners. It's not just a website builder, it's a complete hosting solution that includes a powerful server, intuitive tools, and reliable performance. The added bonus of AI tools only sweetens the deal, especially for those looking to build simple, professional websites quickly on a budget. Moreover, the ability to manage multiple sites on a single plan provides excellent value for freelancers and small agencies. So, should you use Hostinger's AI website builder? Well, if you're a beginner, a small business owner, or someone who needs a straightforward website, the answer is a resounding yes. It's affordable, efficient, and user-friendly. However, if you're building a more complex or highly customized website, you might want to consider alternatives like WordPress. For advanced users, Hostinger's hosting plans can still be a great choice when paired with other website building tools. So if you're ready to give Hostinger a try, click the link in the description of this video to get started. Thank you so much for watching this video.